are an UPSC aspirant, this is a must-watch video for you. Today is 29th April and here are top 5 news from the Hindu newspaper. So come, let's have a look. The first news is growth in industrial output at 5 months low of 4.1% in March. Now India's IIP growth hit a 5-month low of 4.1% in March 2026, primarily due to a slowdown in construction and consumer sectors following the West Asia crisis. While manufacturing dipped, capital goods surged to 14.6%, indicating resilient investment-led demand despite rising energy costs. This becomes highly relevant for GS Paper 3 economy, and for prelims also this becomes important. Moving forward to the second news. The second news is Madhya Pradesh government sets 60-day deadline for UCC draft bill forms committee. Now the Madhya Pradesh government has formed a 6-member committee headed by the retired Supreme Court judge Ranjana Prasad to draft a UCC bill, Uniform Civil Code, within 60 days. Now following Uttarakhand and Gujarat, MP aims to implement the law before Deepavali to standardize personal laws regarding marriage, divorce and inheritance. Now it becomes highly important for GS2 polity and for GS3 infrastructure. Moving forward to the third news. The third news is Sikkim's natural farming is a model for entire country, says Prime Minister. Now Prime Minister Modi lauded Sikkim as a national model for natural farming, noted it adopted organic practices a decade ahead of the country to support local economy and self-sufficiency. He urged visitors to allocate 5% of their budget to local products. The Prime Minister also highlighted Sikkim's ecological importance, holding 25% of India's floral diversity. Now this becomes highly important for GS Paper 3 Agriculture and Environment and GS Paper 2 Governance. Then we have 9,400 accounts banned for being linked to digital arrest. The WhatsApp form informed the Supreme Court that it banned 9,400 accounts linked to digital arrest, scams and law enforcement violations. This becomes highly important for GS Paper 3 Cyber Security and GS Paper 2 Governance. Lastly, we have 7 killed, dozens wounded after Pakistani strikes in Afghan province. Now, Afghanistan-Pakistan conflict, 7 people died and 85 were injured after Pakistani missiles reportedly struck a university and civilian homes in Afghanistan's Kunar province. Now, this marks the first major violence since recent peace talks. Now, this becomes highly important for GS Paper 2 International Relations and GS Paper 3 Infrastructure Perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.